A 2.5% decline is projected for SUI tomorrow, per 30 rates. Let's open with a quick view of the current market move. At this time, SUI has risen 0.6% and is positioned around $0.6985. Let's go straight to the analysts' views. CoinDataFlow sees the price going up to $0.7019 by tomorrow, a rise of nearly 0.7%. SUI might move down to $0.6961, according to Traders Union. That's roughly 0.2% lower. CoinLore highlights the possibility of descending to $0.6827, a decline close to 2.1%. Another outlook from 30 rates highlights SUI may head down to $0.6797, a decrease close to 2.5%. And to wrap up, Gov Capital Collector puts the price at $0.6515 by July 2, down roughly 6.5%. This is the most profitable outlook. That wraps up the outlook for tomorrow. Time to see what else is ahead. Now let's take a step into what each forecast might deliver. From all projections combined, the move could be from a decrease of 6.5% to a rise of 0.7%. So it turns out Gov Capital Collector will deliver the highest return with 6.5% increase in value by tomorrow. This means you could collect between $2 and $65 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to the probability of success, Traders Union's forecast leads the way at 94%. By merging all the forecasts, I've created a single consensus view. Consensus trends suggest SUI could stabilize near $0.6824. Alright, let's drill into it. Consensus calculations highlight a 2.1% loss in price. Put another way, your capital may also advance by 2.1% in line with that forecast. On a 1,000 position, that would be about $21 gained. The likelihood of the consensus projection materializing stands close to 85.7%. Next up, let's check the short-term 3-day outlook as seen by analysts. According to CoinDataFlow, the market is likely to trend downward. Traders Union believes SUI is on track to rise further. CoinLore describes the near-term path as bearish. The short-term forecast from 30 rates points to calm conditions, with SUI likely to stay close to where it is now. Gov Capital Collector indicates that prices could dip further. According to the consensus, SUI is expected to show further weakness in the short term. At this stage, 80% of forecasts lean towards SUI trading weaker. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Now, we can see how they matched yesterday's reality. In the end, trading settled at $0.6909. 3 of 5 forecasts lined up with the real market direction. The closest prediction came from CoinCodex. Let's move on to the breakdown. Yesterday's candle boundaries aligned with 2 forecasts. As for ROI, a few forecasts showed profits, with coin price forecast leading the way. And here's the verification table. Every result checked and lined up for you. Also in today's table, CoinLore had 76.9% forecast probability, $0.023 accuracy, and minus 0.1% ROI. See if you can find the analyst who was most on point. Let's take a look at how tomorrow's potential returns compare between SUI and a few others. SUI isn't leading this time as the top spot goes to Bitcoin Cash with a forecasted return of 2.5%. This comparison includes SUI and 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended comparison is already open on my website. If SUI is on your list of favorites, give it a like so I know to keep tracking it here. Take it easy. See you next time.